Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, first of all, welcome, my name is Lucy, and second of all, you already made a great decision by clicking on this video, so why not make another? Click on the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, show me some love, show me some support. Today I'm gonna review the new palette fresh from the oven, Beauty Bay x MMMMitchell collaboration. So if you wanna know my thoughts about this palette, or if you wanna see how to do this colorful extravaganza, please keep on watching. I just got my delivery from Beauty Bay and I wanna quickly show you that they went all out. Even the inside of the box is with MMMMitchell. So let's get this bad boy out. Palette comes in this simple minimalistic black unicorn with colorful me, myself and Mitchell. Or should I say MMMMitchell? Or maybe it's Mitchell. Or Mitchell? Never mind. Let's open her up. Well protected. And the palette itself is Mitchell's Lucid Dream. You have the vinyl record, you have a cow driving Cadillac, Hollywood Hills for his love of LA, and here you have Manchester Sky View, Cupcake. Oh, and look at this, so cute, a little Mitchell looking behind the building. Inside the palette you have one side with the warm yellowy, red, pinky tones. You have the mirror that you can take it out, and the other side with more cold tones like blue, greens, purples, a little bit of brown. Oh my god, she's so pretty! So I'm not gonna bore you with the stories. You probably already saw Mitchell reveal video, so you know the story behind the palette, the shades and the whole shebang. I just want to say that the pan sizes are massive. For £30 you have 32 eyeshadows, and I'm guessing you're not gonna hit pan. I'm a little bit overwhelmed with the color selection, so I still don't know what I'm gonna put on my eyes, but before that, I'm gonna give you a few swatches so you will see how they perform. I'm gonna start with the shade Matte, Morning Glory Melted, Mini, and the iconic Manchester Yellow. And on my other hand, I'm gonna swatch Shmani Mist, Mega. This shade literally looks mega. Morgan Minty. So those are 5 random swatches, 5 per each side of the palette, and first thing that comes in my mind that the metallics are phenomenal, especially shade Mega that has this multicolor shift to it. The gold one, pretty as well. The minty, the white with this minty shift to it, is so pretty, so unique. The mattes, depending on the shade, some of them are very nice, very pigmented, but I feel like the yellow is a little bit patchy, so you have to put a little bit more work to blend this. But the thing is, some eyeshadows doesn't swatch well, but they perform perfectly on the eyes, and some eyeshadows swatch like a dream, but on the eyes, it's a different story. So let me clean my hands and let's finally do some makeup. So of course, to give tribute to Mitchell, I'm gonna do something very colorful today. And I'm gonna use this detached mirror. By the way, love that idea, because I don't have my contact lenses, so I need a close-up. So I'm gonna start with this light pink shade and go with this shade almost to my brow bone. I'm gonna take this a little bit down as well, just to frame the eye. And with a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna dip into shade Morgan, this lovely purple. And I love that Mitchell gave tribute to his friend that passed away. So far the eyeshadows blend together so nicely. So now I'm gonna do something brave for me. I'm gonna dig into this intense orange shade Mental. Oh my god, they blend so well. Like, look at this. The transition between purple and orange is so seamless. Well, Mitchell, I'm impressed. Beauty Bay, well done. Now I'm gonna put the yellow shade Manchester, and as you remember, it didn't swatch well on my hand, but let's see how it's gonna blend. This is what I was talking about. It didn't swatch well on my hand, but on the eyes it performs so nicely. It blends well with my skin and it blends well with other eyeshadows. And I'm gonna dip into this blushy color Mr. H and blend the purple, orange and yellow together. Oh my god, look at this. I don't know if you see this on camera, but I've applied few crazy colors already and I have zero fallout. And what else? Look how the eyeshadows stay in place. I was quite precise with those. So still my lid is clean. So I don't have to do a cut crease to do a cut crease. Now I'm gonna put this navy shade Moody Mitch. And because I want to have this eyeshadow to be quite intense, first I'm gonna apply this with a wet brush. And now I can blend this into our other eyeshadows. And now I'm gonna go for this lovely teal shade Miracle. Oh bitch, this is so pretty and so intense. The only thing is, shade Miracle give me a little bit of fallout. Nothing too crazy, nothing that we cannot handle, but it's still here. Oh my god, the way that yellow melts with this teal color is incredible. Oh my god, I have a full rainbow on my eye already. And now I'm gonna go with the shade Motto and apply this on my lower lash line in my outer corner. And before I started filming this video, I knew I want to show you as many colors as possible. So I thought maybe I'm gonna do one eye with the warm side and the other with the cold side. But I thought it's quite an obvious choice. So I'm said, yeah, I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone and I'm gonna do something bold, colorful and incorporate as many eyeshadows as possible on one eye. And so far I'm kind of living for this rainbow extravaganza. Woo! Now I'm gonna dip into this intense pink Morning Glory. And maybe let's go to Miles High. I'm gonna dig into shade Muffin, this pearly iridescent shade. You know what? I'm looking for this pearly shade Muffin. So I'm gonna go back to shade Minty and I'm gonna apply this in my inner corner but on my upper lid. Oh bitch, the Minty took it to another level. I don't have words. Thank you. Just to keep things a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna go into black shade Mafia. I'm just gonna apply this a little bit on my lash line and in my outer corner to make it more dark, more smoky. And to elevate this even more, I'm gonna dig into my favorite shadow from this palette, shade Mega. Okay, I'm beyond happy with the eye look so far, so I'm gonna try to match my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. The way those shadows blend, I don't have words. Beauty Bay, Mitchell. It's really amazing palette, especially when you want to do this bold Instagram looks. It's so easy to work with and you have so many different color options. And the thing is, you have also the shades that you can use for your face. For example, Milkshake or Mr. H you can use as a blush. Muffin, Minty, easily you can use as a highlight. And if you have a little bit deeper skin tone than I have, first of all, I'm jealous. You can use Malted or Mustard as a highlight as well. And you have those matte brownie shades like Meh, Monday, Main that you can use for either contour or for your brows. Okay, so let's put my theory to work. I'm gonna dig a little bit into shade Mr. H and Milkshake. I'm gonna use those as a blush. So now I'm gonna mix shade Muffin and Milkshake. I think it's cute, but I'm mostly blown away with the eye look. I think it turns out amazing. Not to blow my own horn, but I think this rainbow extravaganza is simply stunning. And I wasn't expecting to be as nice. First of all, I wasn't sure if the quality is gonna be good enough. And second of all, my makeup skills, well, they are far away from Mitchell's. But overall, I think it's Instagram worthy look. Good job, Lucy. Now I'm thinking, should I put a lash on or not? To make it even more bold, more spectacular, we need a lash, and of course the only appropriate lash to use is gonna be Tati Lashes X Mitchell. Okay, so maybe first I'll take you a little bit closer so we can discuss this, and then I'm gonna put a lash on. Look at those transitions, they're so seamless. I'm impressed, and I'm not the best makeup artist. Well, I'm not even a makeup artist and I could do this, so you can do it as well. I'm blown away how you can easily blend those eyeshadows and they still stay in place. They don't go muddy all over your eye. The only issue is, I don't know if you can see this on camera, I had a little bit of fallout here and it kinda stuck to my concealer. I tried to fix this, but well, it's still not perfect. On the other eye, I didn't have the issue with the fallout, so it looks a little bit better. But if you're one of those girls or boys that like to do eye makeup first before doing your complexion, don't worry about this. Or if you're like me and you like to do your complexion first, just put a little bit more powder under your eyes, or just be mindful that some of the eyeshadows might have a little bit of fallout, but I think this is pretty standard for every single eyeshadow palette. This is the look with the lash on. I'm gonna be honest, I prefer this without lashes, although the eye from far looks more bold. But up close, because the lashes are so big, they are covering all the detailed work on the eye. So maybe I would go for a saddle lash, but as I said, it's a Mitchell palette review, so I had to go for Mitchell lashes. And I have a quite hooded eye, so I don't have much of a space here to work. So if you have more space here, you can easily build your shading higher and then go for the bold lash and have this colorful extravaganza. So let's go for the final thoughts for the palette, and I think you already know what I'm gonna say. It's really good palette, and I love that you have the touch mirror, so you can put your palette on the desk and hold the mirror up close when you're blending, and this is so handy when you are short-sighted like me. The mattes perform it perfectly. The metallics on its own work very well. If you're gonna put this on top of the matte, you have to be careful. Mega, it got a little bit messy in the pan, and as you can see from Muffin, I have quite a lot of fallout in the palette, but overall 32 eyeshadows for £30, and those are massive pans. It's no brainer. Quality, the color selection, the amount of the products you are getting, the packaging, everything is working for this palette. Beauty Bay, Mitchell, you came through. I love that palette. For sure it's gonna be one of the palettes that I'm gonna travel with. First of all, because you can create so many different looks, and you can put the mirror right here and you have like a little vanity situation going on. And lastly, the one thing that I wanna check, the shade Minty over here reminds me of Jeffree Star Skin Frost in shade Mint Condition. So let's swatch those two. Oh, and I forgot to mention, some of the pigments stain, not only the pinks but the blue as well, as you can see on my finger. So no drama here, those are totally different. On top we have the minty shade from Mitchell palette, and it's more green with a little bit of like even yellow undertones. And on the bottom we have the Skin Frost from Jeffree, and it's more cool tone, it has more blue and teal undertones. But they are both pretty, and to be fair, I would use both of them on my eyes rather than on my cheeks, because I don't think that kind of highlight would suit my dead skin complexion. So I think that it has. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this look. If you do, please click the subscribe button, give me thumbs up, show me some love, show me some support, and see you in the next one. Bye!